Okay, now we're recording.
All right.
This time, this one's, and how much does this one measure? 325 meters.
Yeah,
This is what it looks like.
Break.
Do I need to brake? I never make it across. All right, so we're taking the jump. And 1, 2,